Well, good morning. I just want to show you a paint by numbers, not by diamonds, that I ordered by accident. I am going to be giving to my daughter for Christmas because she's getting into wanting to draw and art. So this is the store off of AliExpress. Home Decors with You. It's a 40 by 50. I paid $5.69. It's a paint by numbers. I got it with the coins from AliExpress. You can go and accumulate coins and you can save money when you accumulate these coins. And there's a rip right there. Maybe I just rip it open. Nope, I can't. So we're gonna do an unboxing. I didn't cut anything ahead of time like I normally would. It's almost like a burlap. A burlap cloth material. And these are the paints. And they give you some brushes, very fine tip ones. And this is the picture. Now I thought this was gonna be a paint by diamonds and I was gonna put this in my kitchen. Even though the colors did not go with my kitchen because everything's like a reddish, a deep red. But I thought that was cute. I'm gonna open the kit real quick. My daughter's back there packing away. It's an allergy kind of thing going around. Where I live, they're taking down the cornfields. There it is, better picture. I thought it was cute. So all the little paints have numbers on them. I think they said they're acrylic. So I'm going to try my best not to mess up the packaging too much because I got to do this for Christmas. Wrap it up for her. So. Focus. Not on my face. So you got two very thin brushes. A thick one. I think that's better. There you go. And it comes with little hangers to hang it if you want, which is nice. Put that to the side. Hoping I get a better shot for you guys, but oh no! Sorry, I blinded you. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Caution. I have that. Maybe edit that out. Maybe I'll just leave it in there. And put a whoopsie in the bottom. Of course, I don't want to unroll it too much. And it does come with a foam core. But that is what it looks like. So you have the numbers, almost like color by numbers when you were younger in the coloring books. This is a paint by numbers. So she's 13. I think, I love you too. I think she will enjoy this. I'm trying to get a clear shot, but I have the light over me. I don't know if you can see. Move it up so it's not directly underneath the light. There, I think that's better. Kind of reminds me of the constellations. That's what it looks like to me with the stars. But yeah, that's a quick unboxing of paint by numbers. I've done a lot of videos. You guys will notice soon because I'm going to be putting them all up. So by the time you get this video, they'll already be up and you probably already watched them. But I want to say thank you personally to my new subscribers. I'm not sure if I mentioned it in my previous videos. I will be doing 3 more unboxings when I get those in. I will be showing some completed diamond paintings soon. I want to do the little small Christmas ones, like I said. And get that going. All right. Thank you for watching. That was it. Just a quick video. Bye.